Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that's a bit different from our usual skincare and makeup reviews, but absolutely essential for beauty pros and enthusiasts alike. The Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table in black with walnut legs. Whether you're a massage therapist, a tattoo artist, or even someone who offers lash services, this spa bed claims to be versatile enough for all those uses. So let's unpack what it really offers and if it's worth considering for your setup. Starting with the basics, this is a folding massage table designed to be portable yet sturdy. It measures 28 inches wide and 84 inches long, which is a pretty standard size, and it supports up to 450 pounds, so it's built to hold a good range of clients comfortably. The table weighs just 30 pounds, which sounds light for something this size, making it easier to transport if you're mobile or need to shift it between workspaces. It also features adjustable height settings from 23 to 33 inches, thanks to the quick set knobs, which is great because height customization really helps avoid back strain during long sessions. The materials are another highlight. The legs are made of managed hardwood with a glossy walnut finish that looks really elegant and feels more high-end than your typical folding table. Plus, the cream-colored PU upholstery isn't just for looks, it's oil and water resistant, which makes cleaning up after a session much simpler and keeps the table looking fresh longer. The cushioning uses 1.5 inches of multi-layer small cell foam, which feels dense and plush, a step up from thinner, cheaper foam that can compress quickly and become uncomfortable. This definitely adds a luxury touch that clients will notice and appreciate. Putting it to the test in my daily routine, I found the folding and setup process to be quite smooth. It's light enough that I could carry it solo without too much trouble, but having a handle and carrying case certainly made transport easier and more secure. Adjusting the height mid-session was straightforward with the knobs, which lock firmly in place. No wobbling, which is crucial for safety and client comfort. The soft padding truly made a difference during longer massage simulations, and even when I tested it for a quick tabletop workout setup. The surface felt supportive, but still cushioned enough to avoid that hard, uninviting feel you sometimes get from budget tables. Now for the pros. It nails portability without sacrificing durability. The wood finish is stylish, which means it can blend seamlessly in more upscale environments like beauty salons or spas. The adjustable height range is generous, making it adaptable for various treatment types. Also, the included face cradle and cushion add to the package value, so you're getting a complete setup without extra buys. The oil and water-resistant upholstery is practical and time-saving for busy professionals. On the flip side, while the cushioning is great for massages and beauty treatments, if you're looking to use this for heavier equipment or more intense tattoo work, you might want to test how it holds up over extended daily use. Also, the cream upholstery, while elegant, might show stains or wear more easily than darker options, so some upkeep or protective covers could be necessary. Lastly, at 30 pounds, it's portable, but still might be on the heavier side for people who need ultra-lightweight gear for travel-heavy routines. Value-wise, this table sits at a mid to upper price point in the portable massage table market. Given the quality materials, solid build, and included accessories, it offers good value for professionals who want a reliable, multifunctional piece of equipment. Compared to other portable tables in similar price ranges, the Argo stands out because of its elegant design and foam density, which tend to be compromised in less expensive models. Speaking of alternatives, if budget is a big concern, there are lighter models with synthetic legs or thinner padding available, but they often sacrifice durability and client comfort. On the other hand, if you want something even more premium, solid wood stationary tables or those with motorized height adjustments are options. But they sacrifice portability and come with a much higher price tag. The packaging and build quality feel premium overall. From the smooth walnut finish to the secure locking mechanisms, it seems like a product built to last several years with proper care. I haven't had any direct interaction with Master Massage's customer support yet, but the brand has a solid reputation in the industry for responsiveness and product quality, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, the Master Massage 28-inch Argo Portable Massage Table impresses with its blend of portability, sturdy construction, and luxe finishes. It's an excellent fit for massage therapists, beauty professionals, and anyone needing a versatile and reliable portable table. Just keep in mind the maintenance needed for the light upholstery and the slightly heavier weight if you're frequently on the move. For those prioritizing client comfort and an elegant presentation, this table definitely lives up to its claims. If you've used this table or something similar, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and any tips you might have. The purchase link is down in the description or comments if you want to check it out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.